If you want to go from simply reacting in life to proactively shaping your own journey with strength and grace, then you're in the right place. And you need to know that you will never be able to fully experience your true strength until you learn to bounce back stronger from every setback. Let's just get this out of the way. There is a common misnomer that resilience means being tough and self-sufficient at all times. And the truth of the matter, the answer to that is absolutely no, because resilience simply means a balance of handling difficulties while also knowing when to seek help and when to connect with others. It's not about never feeling down or never feeling defeated, but about learning how to recover effectively and grow from these experiences. And if you don't have resilience, you will not be able to adapt to any change in your life. You will also have increased levels of stress, most likely unresolved, consistent problems, missed opportunities for growth and personal development, and a feeling of always being overwhelmed and just not being able to move anywhere in both your personal and professional life. I had an experience today that actually led to the topic of this video because I was faced with a really familiar situation. Now, in the past, each and every time I was faced with that particular situation in my life, it would lead me down a really dark path. My feelings would be hurt, I would be angry, and ultimately I would go inward. But this time it was different for me. I have spent a lot of time healing and building resilience in my life. So I was able to take this opportunity as an opportunity for further growth and development. You see, here's the thing that they do tell you about adversity. They tell you to avoid triggers, avoid people who trigger you, run from anything adverse, etc. Now, here's the thing they don't tell you that I'm going to tell you. Adversity tests your strength, your character, your resolve. Facing personal crisis or major life changes sucks, right? But these challenges also provide valuable opportunities for you to grow. What if we actually viewed adversity as some sort of catalyst or a spark for deeper personal development? I should say this also before we go any further, because this in no way means that you should run out and actively try and find adverse situations or people to immerse yourself in. No. What I'm saying is this: you can't avoid adverse situations or challenging moments in your life, but what you do with it will make a huge difference in how you shape your future, enhancing your ability to thrive under pressure and ultimately be able to lead a more fulfilled and successful life. You know what else they don't tell you? You will have to consistently work at building and maintaining your resilience. It's not just about avoiding triggers, because you can't do that. So you have to work to build and maintain resilience. It's a skill that requires practice, dedication, and the willingness to confront and grow from each challenging experience. It's like going to the gym. Whether you want to build endurance or strength, each time you go, your strength will grow or your endurance will grow. And guess what? Just like the gym, there are going to be days that you simply do not feel like going to the gym. Those are the days that it might feel like the universe is plotting against you. Everything is going wrong. Stress, failure, and adversity aren't just hurdles, though. You need to know this. They can sap your will. They can leave you drained. They can leave you feeling demotivated. Consider stress, right? It's not just uncomfortable. It literally hijacks our bodies. It traps us in a relentless cycle of fight or flight mode. And this chaos prevents clear thinking, and it robs us of any type of rest. And then we just end up spiraling into anxiety and burnout. And failure, well, it's crushing. It falls short of our goals. But reimagining these setbacks as lessons can transform them from roadblocks into stepping stones. Before I give you the real tools that you can use to build resilience to face and overcome challenges effectively, remember this. Building resilience starts with cultivating a growth mindset, recognizing that our abilities, they're not fixed in place and they can improve with effort and persistence. So let's break it down into actionable steps and explore how you can build resilience to face and overcome challenges effectively. Step 1, recognize your emotional triggers. Start by identifying what gets under your skin. Is it work pressure, personal relationships, maybe some sort of self-doubt? Because knowing your triggers is the first step in managing your reactions and building resilience. Step 2, develop emotional agility. Resilience is rooted in emotional agility. This means being able to flow with your emotions, understand them, and respond, but not react. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can significantly enhance your emotional agility, and it's going to help you stay calm and collected under pressure. Step 3, create a support system. No one builds resilience in a vacuum. So if you have a really robust support system, so friends, family, mentors, they can provide the external strength you need when your internal reserves are just running low. So don't underestimate social connections, and don't hesitate to reach out and build connections if you need them, because we all need those to uplift us. And this is just a reminder, I have created a playlist that you can check out. There's all kinds of different videos in there with different affirmations, different spaces that you can go to, that you can also build resilience and find peace in those spaces. So go check those out. I'll link them in the description box below. Step 4, learn from setbacks. Every challenge carries a lesson, I promise. So you want to adopt a learner's mindset where every failure is seen as some sort of stepping stone to ultimate success, because this perspective shift is going to be crucial for you when you're developing the skill of resilience, because it's going to help you not to get sort of lost or bogged down by disappointment. And I just want to tell you, out of experience, when I first tried to start this channel, I guess it took me a whole year just to start it. And I would, go in and learn this skill or learn that skill, learn how to use Canva, do all these different things. And I would just feel like disappointment, failure, time and time again, because I just wasn't ready to start the channel. But all of the steps that I took up until the point when I actually launched the channel have actually benefited me and helped me out, because now when I go back and I need to do those things, I don't have to start from the ground up, because I've already learned a lot of those different things. Step 5, practice resilience. Practice it. Daily resilience is not just a time for you to use during times of crisis. It's actually a daily practice, like going to the gym. So set small challenges for yourself. Push yourself out of your comfort zone and gradually build your resilience muscle. One of the things that I'm doing that I can think of right now is when I go on these lives and no one shows up, or maybe there's 1 or 2 people, and I don't know, I'm just not catching people at the right time, or who knows what's going on. But it's very uncomfortable to sit in that space, but I'm purposely putting myself in that space. I'm pushing myself out of my comfort zone because I am building my resilience muscle. Remember, mastering resilience, it's a journey. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, but each step you take is building a stronger, more capable you. Think about one area in your life where you can start applying these steps today. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's just support each other on this journey. Thanks for watching. And if you found anything in this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on personal growth and mastering life skills. Until the next one, take care of your mind, body, and soul.